This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Donna ONeal. Great building lot located in Cherry Log Mountain, a popular log cabin mountain community less than 4 miles to Blue Ridge. The .72 acre lot has pretty year-round mountain views, gentle rolling terrain sprinkled with mountain laurel and rhododendron, and access to community water. This mountain community offers several fishing lakes, a community event center, and the Benton MacKaye Hiking Trail, which eventually joins with the Appalachian Trail in Fannin County. The perfect location to build your perfect mountain cabin getaway at the perfect price. For more information, review the details below or contact Donna ONeal at 770-356-9034.